I want to comment for a moment on a tragic occurrence that took place on Saturday, and it took place in the Capitan Reservoir as a result of two airplanes flying combat missions. This is a company that provides the experience of a combat mission. A person who has no experience in flying can pay and be accompanied as he's a co-pilot basically, with someone who does have a lot of experience. The name of the company is Sky Combat Ace, and they're identified as a company that's had somewhat of a history of accidents. For example, we have accidents that took place in 2016 where 2 died. Another took place in 2015 where they were cited for a dangerous low-level flight pass. In 2014, they had to make an emergency landing as a result of mechanical failure. And again in 2011, there was an FAA waiver that had been suspended because they were flying dangerously low. So this company has a history of dangerous operations. Now, when you sign up for a company like this, you sign a release. And in many cases, that release is everything that you could possibly think of that the company could do that would cause you harm. But there's one thing that you can't release, and that is gross negligence. In a situation like this, where Peter Gillcrist and Garrett Engler lost their lives, given the history of negligence with this company, I think it's something to be said that this would be a grossly negligent act. And I think that has to be looked into. This is a situation where people are put in harm's way for the thrill of simulating a combat mission. And it's something that probably should be regulated more closely. Our hearts go out to the families of Mr. Gillcrist and Mr. Engler who were killed in this, and we'd like to give our condolences. Our law firm specializes in these aviation cases. We usually are with a team of other aviation lawyers when these types of cases come forward. And last year, we were able to conclude an aviation case for a multi-8-figure verdict because of gross negligence just like this. Thank you.